kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And as promised, today I'm going to do a Shinshan drawing, a small cute drawing of Shinshan. So listen carefully to the steps. First, take a dot, write a C with a big pooch. Okay, you make a dot and you write a C with a big pooch. Then from here you take a jump, you come here. C with a big pooch, a jump, you come here, you make this. This will be one part. Then from here again you're going to jump, jump, jump and come here. Okay, so this part should be clear to you. After that we are going to make the, I'll do that with the sketch pen directly. Now the two eyes of Shinshan, they are the Undus and the Naragundu. Then you have the, Shinshan has two. One is this and one is the other one. I don't know. He has two eyebrows, or this is some expressions. I have no idea. And his face is never here. It is somewhere here. It will come like that. So Shinshan's speciality is that his mouth is always teda. Okay. So from here we go up, we come down, we come here, we go down. Then from here we go up, we go side, we come down and we come here. Now this will be his shirt. And now to make his pants, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. This is the way. See, you just have to do the common thing with one dash here. Now his legs are just a little triangular shaped legs. Then you draw the socks, you close it, and after closing from here you have to jump down. See, you close it and from here you have to jump down on both these sides. You jump down, you go forward, you come back and you make the shoes. You go forward, you come back and you make the shoes. Now for this part, this is the hand part. And for the hand part, you have to take a turn. One. See, this is one turn. Then you write V. One turn, you write V. Then you make two undus. You take a turn and come back. This is one hand. The second hand is similar. You take a turn. You make a V. Okay. Then you make two undus. Then you take a turn and you come back. So the drawing of Shinshan is ready. Now I'm going to quickly marker it with a fat marker. Now see, these are two, I don't know what is this, Shinshan. I'll have to ask you, Shinshan, what is this? If this is your eyebrows, what is this? I think so this is the second eyebrow he is having. Naughty little chap with two eyebrows, huh? So he has two of them. See, somebody requested me. I used to watch Shinshan cartoon, but I have never drawn Shinshan in my life. So this is the first time I'm doing it. So Nandu, Naragundu, then these, then you take a turn. Now his mouth will be maroon in color, okay? It is not black. This is his ear. So this will be his shirt. With the hands we'll do with a small marker because they are the thin parts. If I do it with this marker, it will get spoiled. Not the marker, but the drawing. Dash. It's a simple drawing, children. I am doing everything on request for next 5 days. I have to make one peacock. I have to make a 3D drawing. And I don't know, I'll have to check my comment box for the drawings. Oh, I'm using a sketch pen for the hand because it's a little delicate part. Coloring is very simple. No shadings at all. You just have to color them. So one request done, children. It will be uploaded right away. If I have time, I'll load it right now. If I don't have time, it will be loaded till night. Because night is the time I usually make videos, but I'm making this video in the afternoon today. So the skin color, the skin color which I have taken. There's absolutely no shading in this, so you just have to do the colors. And before you post it, just redo your blacks, that is the makeup. Just redo it and then you post it. And children who have asked me to do Shinshan, I think so there are 2 to 3 children who have asked me to make Shinshan. Please post it on Facebook page Canvas and Scissors. I want to see how you all do it. So the hands are done. A simple drawing. So the legs will be skin. We have done with the legs. Now his shirt is red in color. I had seen the image, and according to the image his shirt is red in color. And his shorts are yellow. No shading, absolutely no shading. So I think so everybody, even a 5-6-year-old child, can opt for this drawing. And especially the cartoon images are always the favorites of all children. Many children love to do cartoon images. So I wish to see a good amount flowing in, and the yellow color for his shorts. The yellow color for his shorts, and his shoes are a little brighter yellow, so we'll just change this yellow. We'll change this yellow to medium yellow, and the maroon color for his mouth. So this will be the maroon color for his mouth, and this is 1 shade darker for the shoes. So the socks are white. Now if you wish, you can do the background. If you do not wish to do the background, you all can leave it as it is. Now I am doing the background green, and after doing the background I will redo my borders. So to do the backgrounds, first we do our borders well, and after that we do the ghasar patti. I've just taken randomly any color. Just see to that you don't take red and yellow or skin color, because you have already done it. So first we border Shinshan. Shinshan, naughty chap, always troubling mummy. And then a peculiar way of his, क्या बोलते उसको, pasina, or his coming out from his head, dropping down. Correct? I used to watch Doraemon more, so I know Shizuka, I know Doraemon, and I know how Shizuka, and they used to cry with all the water falling. Ding, ticka, ding, ticka, ding, ticka. So patak, 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 patak. Am I finished with the borders? No, my hand is still remaining. Dip, ticka, dip, ticka, dong. Dip, ticka, dip, ticka, dong. See, I have done. Now तनु आंटी का स्पीड पकड़ने का टाइम देख लो. सी पटकन 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 करूया अपन पटकन पटकन. After you finished your borders, you become confident, na? And now the color could go inside. You have a control over your hand. You know your colors are not going to enter any part. So you are a faster. Now you do this at the corners. I've taken a small book purposely because Shinshan is such a small drawing. Had I taken a big book and done a big one, it would have taken a lot of time. It's a small thing to teach. So patakan, 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 patakan. You know, to search this, I was not even knowing the spelling of Shinshan. Is it Shin or Chin? Shinshan, Pinpan. Then I did the mic part of the Google search. I pressed the mic. Oh, tutlo. Now you all must be knowing. Yes, Tanu auntie breaks one color in every drawing. There is not a single drawing where I haven't broken any color. Children, if you like the video, please share it with the other children, because I don't know how many can learn. I want everyone to learn drawing through videos. Please share it with your friends. Don't keep it to yourself, because if you share, you care. Correct? Now this is done. Now what I can do is I can reborder it with many things. I have bought a Staedtler pencil also to do it, but I will reborder it and I will post it. I will not post it just like that. I can't find my Staedtler pencil. There are certain things which need to be rebordered because they do get disturbed with the colors. So please reborder it and then you post it. See, there are certain things which you need to do it again to give the finishing. Okay children, bye till then. Have a nice day. Do the Shinshan, but don't be as naughty as him. Please don't trouble your parents. Your parents work very hard for you. And during this lockdown period, you all should be more cooperative with your parents, correct? Please don't trouble them. And be good. Don't follow Shinshan. Shinshan is a naughty boy. Don't follow his footsteps. You can just make his drawing. Make his drawing and tell Shinshan, गंदा बच्चा नहीं बनने का, प्यारा सा बच्चा बनने का, गुल्लू 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 गुल्लू. So bye bye. See you. Ta-ta.